Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your edition, Windows Pro, Enterprise, or Education, because BitLocker requires it. Make sure you have a spare USB drive of at least 8 GB and backup files. This prevents accidental loss. Open Control Panel, then navigate to BitLocker Drive Encryption. Once there, choose the system drive and click Turn on BitLocker. Follow prompts to save a recovery key to the USB. This creates the startup key. Do this now. It sets the foundation for encryption. Now you configure how the encryption behaves. You will choose the unlock method, use a USB startup key with or without TPM depending on hardware. Select the encryption mode, pick XDSAES for modern compatibility and choose new encryption for fixed drives. When prompted, save the recovery key to your USB and optionally print it. Make certain the USB actually contains the BEC or TXT recovery file. Once saved, run the BitLocker system check. When offered so Windows verifies the startup key works before encrypting. Complete the process by rebooting and testing the USB startup key. Make sure no other USB sticks are plugged in. If Windows prompts for the key, insert the USB and it should unlock automatically. If the system fails to boot, use the recovery password or the recovery file on the USB to regain access. Keep both copies safe. If you encounter write or permission errors when saving the key, reformat the USB to NTFS. Then repeat the save step and verify the file appears before.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.